Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually start to align objects on Figma first. What you're gonna do actually is about to go through something that we about to select multiple layers or objects. So as you can see, use align icons. So I'm gonna search for align icons on that top toolbar. So what you're gonna do actually is about to draw, for example, a star, and then align icon will be about once you click on it. Okay, so maybe we gonna start right now to click on it, and then as you can see, this will be about like this. To start to for tied up for eventually as space items to use smart juice on it. So I go start for searching on aligner on plugins, and this will be about to give you that one. This about to give you a aligning of any kind of shapes together, and and maybe this really about to create a component when you want on a certain star here, and then we have here create a component, and that is all about here to help you